Welcome to a video presentation by Kingscliff Sales and Rentals. This time we're showcasing Unit 2 at 35 Kingscliff Street, Kingscliff, currently available for lease. Whilst we've just gone through a very hot summer, this property has air conditioning downstairs and ducted air conditioning upstairs. Great for our summer lifestyle. Going down to street level, this is how the property presents from ground level, and that's it there as circled, its position in the building. Stepping inside, the property is immaculately presented. Split system air conditioning, as I said, downstairs. Good sized kitchen, small family room off the kitchen and a separate dining room as well. Going upstairs, there's 3 bedrooms. Main bedrooms are very good size, also features a new ensuite. Second and third bedroom also have built-ins with ceiling fans as well. Main bathroom is modern as well, features a corner spa bath. Downstairs as well, there's an internal laundry, guest bathroom and private courtyard with clothesline. If you'd like more details on viewing this property or time set for viewing, please call Kingscliff Sales and Rentals 0266 745 888. Email them at rentals@salesandrentals.com.au, or for more photos and information visit our website at salesandrentals.com.au.